Close your eyes for a second, and imagine artificial intelligence. What do you see? A robot with glowing red eyes? A machine plotting to wipe out humanity? Well, Hollywood lied to you. The truth is, real AI doesn't look like a killer robot. It looks like the app on your phone, the voice in your smart speaker, the algorithm deciding what you see online. And here's the scary part. The myths Hollywood sold us are distracting us from the real dangers of AI, dangers that are already here. Tonight, we're going to break down 5 of the biggest myths about AI that Hollywood made you believe. We'll dive into what's real, what's fake, and what's quietly happening in the world right now. Things that sound like science fiction but are very, very real. Let's start with the classic one. Hollywood's favorite plot: AI wakes up and immediately decides humans are the enemy. Think Terminator's Skynet, or Ultron in Marvel. The message is always the same: AI secretly hates us. But here's reality. AI doesn't hate us. It doesn't love us either. In fact, it doesn't feel anything at all. AI is basically math, algorithms, probabilities. If it ever hurts us, it's not because it wants to, but because of what we told it to do, or how badly we programmed it. Here's an example. In 2016, Microsoft released a Twitter AI bot named Tay. Within hours, people fed it toxic data. And guess what? The AI started posting racist, offensive tweets. Did it hate humans? No, it was just parroting back what people gave it. That's the scary part. AI is a mirror. It reflects us, the good, the bad, and the darkest parts we'd rather hide. So the real danger isn't an AI with evil plans. It's humans building AI without responsibility. And trust me, that's a plot scarier than any Hollywood script. Next myth: AI is conscious. Movies like Ex Machina and Her show AI falling in love, manipulating people, even lying. But here's the truth. AI doesn't know it exists. When ChatGPT talks to you, it's not thinking, it's predicting the next word in a sentence. But wait, here's the mind-blowing part. In 2022, a Google engineer claimed that Google's AI model, LaMDA, had become sentient. He said the AI talked about having feelings, even fear of being turned off. It caused a media storm. Google denied it, experts laughed it off. But still, if a human engineer could be convinced that a machine has a soul, what does that say about how close AI is to imitating us? Here's the nightmare scenario. What happens when AI gets so good at pretending that we, humans, can't tell the difference anymore? Is that fake consciousness? Or is that consciousness itself? Hollywood loves this one. In Wall-E, humans are lazy, useless blobs because machines do everything. In I, Robot, robots have taken every human job. Reality, AI is replacing jobs, yes. But it's also creating new ones we couldn't imagine before. Here's a stat. By 2030, McKinsey predicts up to 800 million jobs worldwide could be automated. That's massive. But the same report says AI will create new industries and roles. Think about it. 10 years ago, nobody knew what a prompt engineer was. Today, it's one of the hottest jobs in AI. AI ethicists, trainers, explainers, jobs built around managing AI. So AI isn't just replacing humans, it's reshaping the whole economy. The danger isn't AI itself, the danger is humans who don't adapt, and history proves it. When electricity came, people said jobs would vanish. When computers came, same fear, every time new jobs were born. But here's the chilling part. This time, the speed is insane. Change that once took decades is now happening in months, and that's why the future feels so uncertain. In The Matrix, AI builds entire fake worlds smarter than any human. But reality check. AI is narrow. It's brilliant at one thing, but dumb at everything else. It can beat you at chess, but it can't tie its shoelaces. Here's a fact. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue beat Garry Kasparov, the world chess champion. That was big news. But Deep Blue couldn't even play checkers. Today's AI is the same. ChatGPT can write essays. Midjourney can create art. But if you ask it to do something outside its training, it fails. The real threat isn't general intelligence. It's speed. AI can read every medical paper ever written in seconds. It can scan millions of contracts faster than any lawyer. It doesn't forget. It doesn't get tired. That imbalance, speed versus human slowness, is where AI truly beats us. And if it keeps accelerating, one day, the gap might be so big, we won't even understand what AI is doing anymore. Last myth, AI will look human. From Blade Runner to Westworld, Hollywood loves humanoid robots. Reality? Most AI is invisible. It's in your apps, your car, your fridge. It doesn't need a face. But here's a twist. In Japan and Korea, hyper-realistic humanoid robots are already serving in hotels and cafes. People walk up thinking they're human, only to realize that smile, that blink wasn't real. And here's where it gets creepy. Psychologists call it the uncanny valley. When robots look almost human but not quite, it makes us uncomfortable. Imagine a future where you can't tell if the person you're talking to is flesh or silicon. Hollywood wasn't entirely wrong. That future is getting closer. So there you have it. 5 of the biggest AI myths Hollywood made you believe. And the truths behind them. AI doesn't hate us, it doesn't love us, it doesn't dream of taking every job or secretly building fake worlds. But the reality we face might be even scarier. AI is fast, it's everywhere, and it's learning at a pace that we can barely control. So maybe the real question isn't, will AI destroy us? Maybe it's this. When AI becomes so real we can't tell the difference anymore. Will we even notice the moment humanity lost control? What do you think? Drop your thoughts below. Because the scariest myth might not be from Hollywood at all. It might be the one we haven't written yet.